I'm going to be showing you how to create your own custom trackers inside of UEFN. So if this is something you want to do, just make sure to watch the video. But go ahead and right click, go to user interface and go to widget blueprint. We're going to click user widget and we're just going to call this tutorial tracker. This is just for you guys to understand. So what we need to do, first we drag in a canvas panel. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and drag in the background that we want for our image. This is going to be whatever you like. For me, I've already got one. We're going to use, just for the sake of this video, we'll use this one. I'm not going to do a tutorial on how to make this because it's not my material. So we actually need to go into view bindings, add view model, go ahead and click tracker view model, just press select, close that, it's fine. So go ahead and drag in an image onto the screen to start with. The reason we're dragging an image onto the screen, because this is going to be the icon for our trackers if you want icons. So let's go ahead and leave this for white. What we're going to need to do is press view bindings. Let's name this image to icon. We'll just call it icon. That's fine. Inside of view bindings, go ahead and press add widget icon. Now that that's showing up, we're going to need to go press brush and make image brush from texture. So let's do that. Brush, select, then go into conversion functions and make image brush from texture. That should be working fine, but there's some other things that we need to do here. We need to go ahead and select the icon, the image size, and then also the tint color. So let's do that now. Image, go and press tutorial tracker, and then press on icon. For image size, it shows up in the top right of the screen. From us, we're going to do 50 and 50. So let's go ahead and write in 50, 50. For tint color, you're going to need to change this to whichever yours is. So let's do that now. Go ahead and click tracker and choose color. Now this icon will be working fine. Next, set up a text block. And we're going to rename this by clicking F2 and just calling this title. So let's write in here title 2. Next, go to view bindings, add widget title. My mouse is messing up a bit. And then we're going to press UEFN tracker and we're going to press title or name actually. That should be that working fine. Next, we're going to be doing this for the description as well. But I do realize I actually made a mistake. Inside of this title, right click, left click here and press text. So let's go ahead and drag another one on. We'll just call this one description. And we'll leave that there. So I'll call this one description up here too. Now view bindings, add widget description. For description, we do the same thing. Click this, press text. Next, go ahead and press tracker and press description. Perfect. For this next part, we're going to be adding in another text block. This one will be for our numbers. So let's go and start doing this now. Change this to just 1. For example, we'll call this one value. And then we're going to add another one. We'll just have this as a slash. Then that. We're actually going to go click on the first value that we've created. Go to jurisdiction, not jurisdiction. Go to justification and click onto the right with this one to make it a bit smaller. There we go. I managed to click on everything but the one I wanted, which is perfect. So that's fine now. Just gotta make that smaller. So we're gonna turn this to number 100. This one says value 2. We're gonna change the one we call value 2 to target. So now we've got a value and a target, and we have this little slit in the middle. So let's go and change that. Add widget. We're going to change value to text, and we're going to press conversion function to text integer. And then for value, we're going to go ahead and click on UEFN tracker and click value. Now click on our target and do the same thing. Add widget target, text, UEFN conversion functions to text integer. Now click on this bind and we're going to press target value. So that is how you do it. I'm going to show you that it works in the game real quickly. So let's take a look. We can see that everything worked properly. You'd obviously need to remove yours, but that is how you create a custom tracker inside of Fortnite. Go ahead and use my creator code GISMO to help me out. And if you're an absolute beginner, I've got a course first link in the description. Subscribe.